Okay, welcome back. Mr. Bell's Wildcat Math class. We're finishing up this review here. We're on number 91. Algebra 2 honors. Can't see. Okay. What is the x-intercept of f of x equals log of x minus 3? So how do we find the x-intercept?
So it's the y's. Oh shoot! Oh wait, no, it's something else. Wait, no. You gotta set one of them equal to 0.
Y 0.
Y equals 0.
Yeah, if we want to find the x-intercept, we make the y equals 0. So 0 equals log
Those Matt that said that.
x minus 3. All right, so we're going to put in an exponential now, right? I'm going to move my base over. What's my base? 10, right? All right, so it'll be 10 to the 0 power equals x minus 3. 10 to the 0 power is?
1.
1. So we'll add 3. So x equals 4. So it'll be 4 comma 0 is my x-intercept. Remember, make the y equal to 0, so that's why that's 0 there. Okay? We good? All right, number 92. We got log base 2 of 40 minus log base 2 of 5. So it says simplify. So I'm going to go ahead and combine these into one log. Log base 2 of 40 over 5, which is log base 2 of 8. And I know 8 is 2 cubed. So the answer is just 3. Good one, I like it. Questions on 92? All right, moving on 93. So solve for x. So we got log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of x minus 5 equals log base 2 of 14. So I don't have any constants, they're all logs. So what I need to do is, not yet, so some of you almost said on your test, I need to make it a single log equals a single log. Then you can cross them out. So I'm going to combine this, so it'll be log base 2 of x squared minus 5x equals log base 2 of 14. Now we can cross out the logs. So I have x squared minus 5x equals 14. It's a quadratic. Set it equal to 0. Subtract the 14 over. X squared minus 5x minus 14 equals 0. A times c. Negative 14. Two numbers multiplied by negative 14 would add up to negative 5. Negative 7 and 2. My a value is equal to 1. So I would just go right to factored form. X minus 7. X plus 2. So x is equal to 7 and negative 2. However, you cannot take the log of a negative number. And if you look up in the problem, it's log base 2 of x. So my x value cannot be negative. So x is equal to 7. Just 7. The negative 2. No, because you're taking the log of x. And you cannot say x is negative 2. You cannot take the log of a 0 or negative number. Okay? Any questions on 93 before we move on? All right, 94.
I actually had a question.
Question? Okay, cool. Let's
Wasn't
put it back.
A -7, not a -2?
No.
What?
But then you said equal to 0.
Oh, okay, never mind. I got it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, 94. Log base 3 of x minus log base 3 of 4 equals 2. Notice I have a constant. So what I want to do is have it a single log equals that number. And then we'll take it out of log form and solve it that way. But I got to get a single log equals a number. So I'm going to combine these into log base 3 of x over 4 equals 2. Now I'm going to put it in exponential form. Bring out the wood chipper. Move the base over. So it'll be x over 4 is equal to 3 squared. Yeah? Multiply both sides by 4. So x equals 36? 36. All right, 95, solve for x. 3 to the 2x power equals 5. I've got a variable in my exponent, that's what logs are for. So put it in logarithmic form, move the 3 over, so 2x equals log base 3 of 5. That's just a number. We're going to plug that in our calculator. 2x equals log of 5 divided by log of 3. So 2x is equal to about 1.465. We're going to divide that by 2. So x is equal to 0.732. Let's do 3 decimal places. Questions on number 95? No? We're good? Okay. Apparently I'm a little boring. Yes? Oh, I have no idea. Oh, they didn't want us to use a calculator. So if I divide this by 2 here, divide this by 2, it would be log of 5 over 2 log of 3. So it'll be C. So they didn't want us to use a calculator, I guess. All right, any questions? Well, where would you put it? Log of, yeah, it would look like log of 32. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You can put it in the back, but just make sure that it's log of 3 times 2. You know what I mean?